The broadcast world right now is this messy, fragmented puzzle of disconnected vendors, especially with fast channels exploding by 76% recently. But using a unified single-stack platform can instantly save your team time, money, and massive headaches. First, it's the ultimate one-stop shop. iKOSYSTEM is iKOMG's unified operations platform, giving you one secure dashboard where you manage everything from cloud playout and return feed monitoring to EPGs, OTT distribution, fast channels, and live clipping without ever switching logins. It's kind of like having a single universal remote for an entire global TV station instead of juggling 50 different controllers. Second, we're talking major operational and financial efficiency. Consolidating cuts down coordination overhead, reduces the risk of integration failures, and gives you real-time visibility. Plus, it's provided at no extra platform cost to existing iKOMG customers. Now wait, does this replace absolutely everything? Well, no. While it unites the core broadcast chain, external things like rights management or third-party ad tech usually stay separate. Finally, there's the unique 24/7 managed advantage. Unlike competitors who rely on clunky third-party add-ons, iKOMG gives you native 24/7 managed NOC coverage built right into the service model, seamlessly handling satellite, cloud, IP, and fiber delivery. That's literally round-the-clock peace of mind. By uniting your entire core broadcast chain under one seamless interface with built-in 24/7 support, iKOSYSTEM lets your team focus on building your audience instead of fighting with fragmented technology.